Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the Vivo X300 Pro, a flagship smartphone that truly deserves to be called premium in every aspect. In today's video we will discuss its unboxing, design, display, gaming, battery and charging, camera, and finally, whether you should buy this phone or choose another one. So let's get started. As soon as you open the box, you first get the phone, along with the charger, USB-C cable, SIM eject pin and a protective case. Regarding the design, the look of the X300 Pro is truly premium. The large camera island on the back sets this phone apart from the crowd. The phone size is 6.78 inches, the thickness is 7.9 millimeters, and the weight is around 226 grams. The combination of a glass back and alloy frame gives it a very luxurious feel in the hand. It features a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 1260x2800 pixel resolution and a 120Hz variable refresh rate. Whether you are playing games or watching something on Netflix, its display gives you super smooth and sharp visuals. The screen-to-body ratio is about 94.85%, which means very thin bezels. Just note, the screen is a bit large, so using it with one hand might be a little difficult. It comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, which is a very powerful and energy-efficient processor. Regarding gaming, the X300 Pro has proven to be quite good at thermal management. High graphics games like PUBG or BGMI run smoothly without lag. While it is not a hardcore gaming phone, it provides a smooth experience. If you're gaming, keep game mode on and close background apps, the performance will be even better. The phone is equipped with a large 6510 mAh battery which comfortably lasts one day. Charging is also amazing. It supports both 90W wired charging and 40W wireless support. This means your phone will be almost fully charged in just 25 to 30 minutes. However, since its display and processor are high performance, don't expect 2 days of backup. Charging tip: charge when the battery reaches 20 to 30% and avoid gaming while charging so the phone doesn't heat up. Now let's move to its most powerful feature, the camera. It has a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-828 main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 200-megapixel Periscope telephoto lens. Zoom quality is superb, sharp up to 10 times and detail is maintained even up to 30 times. In low-light photography, this phone competes with other flagships. Many reviews have even called it the best camera phone of 2025. Just one drawback: some of its lens accessories are not immediately available in India. If you use the Periscope zoom, use a tripod, the results will be even more professional. Should you buy it? Yes, if you want high-end camera quality, a large and premium display, and flagship-level performance, the Vivo X300 Pro is the perfect phone for you. No, if your budget is tight, or you focus more on battery life and hardcore gaming, you can also consider other alternatives in this range, like the OnePlus 13 Pro or Samsung S24 Plus. Its estimated price in India might be around 84,999 rupees. So yes, it is a premium phone and comes with an equally premium price. So friends, this was the complete review of the Vivo X300 Pro, from unboxing to the camera. If you liked this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will definitely reply. Thank you. See you in the next video with a new tech review.